I've been exploring Manus AI recently, and in this video, I'm sharing my honest and unbiased review of whether it's truly a game changer in the AI landscape. Developed by the Chinese startup Monica, Manus AI is an autonomous agent designed to execute complex tasks with minimal human input. Unlike traditional AI models that require step-by-step instructions, Manus AI can independently plan, execute, and deliver results for various tasks, ranging from data analysis to content creation. Its multi-agent architecture combines specialized modules for planning, research, coding, and data analysis, allowing it to operate like a self-contained workforce. Users have reported that Manus AI can handle tasks such as planning a 7-day itinerary or analyzing financial reports, breaking them down into subtasks and delivering polished outputs like spreadsheets or code repositories. One of the standout features of Manus AI is its ability to interact with web browsers, APIs, coding environments, and productivity software, enabling actions like scraping real estate listings or generating budget calculators. It also boasts contextual memory, remembering user preferences across sessions, which enhances personalization. Moreover, Manus AI continues processing tasks in the cloud, even when the user disconnects, enhancing productivity. However, it's important to note some limitations. Manus AI is currently in a limited beta phase, requiring an invitation code for access, which has led to high demand and even resale of invite codes online. Some users have reported issues with system stability, including crashes and server overload under high demand, leading to task failures. Additionally, while Manus AI has demonstrated impressive capabilities, it has faced scrutiny over data privacy concerns, especially given its Chinese origins. In summary, Manus AI represents a significant advancement in autonomous AI agents, offering a suite of features that can streamline complex tasks across various domains. Its ability to operate independently and integrate with multiple tools sets it apart from traditional AI models. However, the unofficial nature of the app necessitates a careful approach to its use. If you found this review helpful, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.